Before I going to tell something about myself, I first want to introduce you to my first subscriber on YouTube. Igor, here. Sit. High five. X. Good so. Eh? Ja, dat is braaf. Ja. Goed zo, jongen. That's my dog Igor. It's a German Shepherd. It's a very lovely dog. So now I will go to my little room where I always drum, and I want to tell you something about myself. Hello my friends, here I am again. First of all, I want to tell it to you, I'm not used to talk to a camera, and I'm not used to speak English, but I do my best, and I hope you enjoy this video. So here it goes. My name is Rob Nienhuis. Most of you know that, and I'm 56 years old, and I play for almost 38 years drums. I know I'm not the greatest drummer on earth, but for me that is not important. More important for me is that I make music, and music is a great passion of me, and life is stressful enough, and with music, listening to music and making music, I can distress myself, and that's very important to function good in this world. In this video I will thank some guys of you who helped me a lot with making my videos, with helping me with recording my sound, making it better, and after that I want to show you my new setup in this small room, studio if you call it so, and yeah, let's start. First of all, I want to thank Mike Luke. Mike, you are a special friend for me, you know. I always love you from the first time you helped me, and you are a great guy. Your tutorials really helped me a lot with making my recordings better, sound better. And I know I don't do it so good as you do, but I do my best, and I hope I will learn a lot from you. So check him out when you don't know Mike Luke. I think you all know who he is. He's a great guy, very sympathetic guy, and I hope someday I will meet you, Mike, and we can drink a beer together. That's a little dream for me. I was oft in Germany. Ich kann gut Deutsch reden, habe keine Probleme mit Deutsch. Ich kann besser Deutsch reden als Englisch, aber for the other guys I will talk English, and then we drink a beer, and I will say to you, zum Wohl, my Freund. Then further I want to thank, I think he doesn't know me at all, but I want to thank Beats by Jay. He's a great guy. He made a few tutorials too on YouTube. The first time when I saw him, that was when he was repairing his Roland cymbal. I think it's about 4 or 5 years ago. I had some issues with my VH12. It didn't make a close sound enough. So I searched on YouTube, and I saw what he did, and I tried it, and I saw I could fix my VH12. Jay is a very nice guy, makes awesome videos, and is a great drummer, and I hope someday he will visit my channel. The third person I want to thank, that is Huub83. A lot of you guys don't know how to pronounce his name. It is Huub83. He's a great drummer. His sound on his videos is always amazing. He's very supporting all of us, and me too, and I'm very thankful to him. Huub has almost 1,000 subscribers, so if you don't know him, if you didn't subscribe to his channel, please do it. This guy is really sympathetic, and he deserves it. Another guy I want to thank, that is Drumman190. For this opportunity, I will call his name, and so I will talk to the camera and to you, my friend William. I want to thank you especially for all the help you gave me, and the opportunity you gave me to play battles on your channel with some other great drummers. It was an honor for me to do that, and I like it very much, and I hope to do that sometimes this year again. And because of you, other people could learn to know me, and there I'm very grateful for, and you are a special friend for me, and I love you, man. Thank you. Another great guy I want to mention in this video is Earl Bennett. I met him during the Christmas holiday. I had a week off, and I did some comments on his video, and he responded me, and this very nice man, very big, great drumming skills, and I do love him, and he shows very different styles, jazz, I don't know what he else plays. He's a very great drummer. He was a competitor of the drum contest for the best cover of 2017, and he won it, and in my opinion he had deserved to win it, and so congrats again, Earl. I like you very much, man, love you. What I'm going to say now, my friends, I'm going to read from a paper, because this is very important for me that I say it right, and that they don't forget something to say to this person. This person means a lot to me, because I saw this morning a video what this person always do for other person is incredible. So this one is for you, UziBooBooDooDoo. I hope I said it well. First of all, sorry my friend, I don't know your real first name, so I could use that, sorry for that. But what I want to say to you, my friend, is that you are not only a great drummer. I saw that the first time I saw a video of you, I saw that immediately that you were a great drummer, but you are, what is more important for me, you are a great person. You do have a heart of gold. I saw this video what you made for Michael Perry, for Michael Perry. It was really great with all the other drummers, with the message they gave to Michael. So I do have a lot of respect for you, my friend. And what we say here in the Netherlands, we Dutchmen say, you have a heart of gold, my friend. And that's what I really mean. You are a great personality. And what you did for Michael is phenomenal, my friend. Respect. And to Michael I want to say all the best, my friend. I hope you will recover soon, and you will get better, and I hope you will be more on YouTube again, and we all supporting you, my friend, and we all do love you. So come up, man. The last guy I want to tell something about, I want to mention, is Mark Burgrave. Mark is a very great guy. He's a great drummer. He's very sympathetic, and for me he's a special somebody, because he always gives so good and nice comments to my videos. I love you, friend. You are a great guy. And the first time I saw your video on YouTube, there was a video from Simple Minds. I thought that's a great drummer, and it was a great song. It was a song, Don't You Forget About Me. I want to do that cover too, sometimes in the future. I hope you don't mind, my friend, but then I do it for you, you know. And Mark does also do collaborations with Spin. These collaborations are awesome. They sound so great, and his drumming and video editing and the guitar playing of Spin are awesome. The last video I saw was great too, and super, my friend. So Mark, du bist mein Freund, du weißt du noch. Dankeschön. Check out his channel, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel, because he deserves that. So now I want to show you some pictures about my studio before I change things, and after that I want to do a little tour around my place. So keep watching, my friends. Here I'm standing in the door of my little studio. It's about 3 by 2.5 meters, not so very big, but for me it's big enough. I don't have more room or another room in my house. This is my computer. I do have a 27-inch screen, I do use Windows 8.1 computer. Then I have two monitor speakers for listening to my recording that are Magix speakers, the MK5MR3 50 watt. I also do use a Focusrite audio interface, very nice interface. I use it for all my recordings. It's a USB interface, very nice. This is a picture of my work. I worked for almost 33 years in a printing factory. I was a printer. Now I'm working in a factory where they're making plastic foley for meat and cheese, something totally different. This is my keyboard. It's a Roland E09. Very great sounds. I'm not really a great keyboard player, but I can play a little bit keyboard, but not with both hands at the same time. But it's fun to do. Over here is my drum kit. I do use TD30 drum module. I bought my kits about 10 years ago by Tech in Germany. At that time it was a TD12 special edition with VH12 hi-hat stand, hi-hat and extra big pads, because I don't like small pads. I was used always in the past to play a big drum kit. I had a Tama Imperial Star that was back in 1980. 9 pieces drum kit. But for me it's impossible to play an acoustic drum kit in this neighborhood, because I don't want to have some trouble with the neighbors because of too much noise. My hardware is a Iron Cobra twin pedal power glide, and then I use a double leg hi-hat stand from Tama, same series. A new cupboard to put my CDs in. I also do like agility with my dog. Very nice spot to do. Was my previous dog, very nice dog. And over here I do have some guitars. I also play guitar, a little bit soloing, but I can better play rhythm. Sometimes I play a little bit bass guitar. I sold my amp because I do everything on the computer, so I don't need an amp. It's better for the neighbors too. Last thing I want to show to you guys, Mike mentioned it in his video too. This is a power bank, an extra accu for my action cams. I do have 2 of them. They are 5000 milliampere, so you never run out power when you are recording a new video. Very useful tool. Not so expensive, I think $12 or so. For making my videos I do use 2 action cams. This is the action cam, the SHCam 5000 Elite. Very good, nice camera with Wi-Fi. You can operate it with your iPhone or what you own. This camera is Vimius Q4, also a 4K camera. I never use 4K. I always shooting in full HD, 920 by 1080. For me that is enough. You get nice pictures, but this camera is not so good. You can see it on my videos the bad video parts are from this camera, but yeah, I don't have another, so that's why I use it. Maybe in the future I will buy another one. The camera I'm using for shooting this video is a VST Handycam. It's a camera with a hard disk drive inside of it. It's a very nice camera, shoot very good videos, and yeah, I would recommend it as a VST Evalio. And I changed my room. As the last thing I want to tell about my room. I changed my room because I want to buy a real acoustic kit and want to transform it to an e-drum kit, a hybrid e-drum kit. And that is what I want to do in the next few months. First I wait for new models coming out on the NEM 2018, and then I will decide which drum kit I want to buy. So when I buy a new drum kit, I will show it to you, and I will show to you how I did it. Okay, my friends, this was my little tour around my studio drum room, and I hope you enjoyed it. My plans for this year is making more videos, of course, but I never can say what video I will make because it's depend on my mood. I heard it from other guys too. I cannot say from tomorrow I'm gonna play something from YouTube or what else. It's depending on how I feel and what's coming in my mind. And so you see it, and I want to surprise you with my next video that's coming out this week. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I want to thank again all my subscribers, and I love you all, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching these videos. Bye, man.